Welcome to REIT Magazine's weekly report. I'm Matt Bichard.
And I'm Alan Kenny. In our first story this week, U.S. REIT stocks were up in April, the first month of 2013 in which they surpassed the broader stock market. Data from the FTSE NAREIT U.S. REIT Index show that U.S. equity REITs posted total returns of 5.8% in April. That bested the S&P 500, which posted total returns of 1.9%. NAREIT's Brad Case discussed REIT's strong performance with REIT.com in the latest edition of Quick Study.
There's been a lot of attention to the recovery of the stock market during the first part of 2013, and that's great. But REITs have actually outperformed the broad stock market during 2013 so far. REITs have returned more than 15.4% so far this year, and the rest of the stock market has gained 11 to 12%. That repeats a pattern that we've seen over each of the last 4 complete years, and of course over most longer historical periods the REIT market has outperformed the stock market.
Retail REIT Macerich has been added to the S&P 500. Macerich becomes the first REIT to be added to the S&P 500 since healthcare REIT Ventas in 2009. Macerich is replacing Coventry Health Care, which was acquired by health insurance provider Aetna. Previously, Macerich was a member of the S&P MidCap 400 Index.
Healthcare Trust of America is approaching the 1-year anniversary of its listing on the NYSE. Scott Peters, the company's president, CEO, and chairman, appeared on the NAREIT Podcast last week to reflect on HTA's first year as a listed company and discuss some of the latest activity in the healthcare REIT sector.
Our targeted view is that we like acquisitions with healthcare systems that are going to be long-term. That means $25 to $75 million from an asset perspective. We like to build in our markets so that we can bring our asset management platform and the synergies that we have with that. So, we feel very good.
And that concludes this week's edition of Weekly Report.
Be sure to check back early and often for all the latest commercial real estate news and analysis at REIT.com and realestateinvestmenttoday.com.